In this video, I will show you how to apply for a social security number in the USA. An SSN is a 9-digit number used for work, taxes, and government services. To apply, go to Google and search Apply Social Security Number SSA. Click on the official website ssa.gov. From there, you need to fill out Form SS5, which is the application for a social security card. You must provide original documents to prove your age, identity, and immigration status, for example, your passport, visa, or work permit. Students or workers on visas may also need a letter from their school or employer. Once your documents are ready, submit the completed form either by mailing it or by visiting your nearest Social Security office. You can use the office locator on ssa.gov to find one near you. After submission, your application will be processed, and if approved, your Social Security card will arrive by mail within 2 to 4 weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.